Can you name the following baby animals? The last one is impossible. Are you ready? What is a baby pig called? Piglet. Number 2, a cow. Calf. Number 3, a panda. Cub. If you scored 3 out of 3 so far, like this video. Number 4, a sheep. Lamb. Number 5, a dog. Puppy. Number 6, a polar bear. Cub. If you are enjoying this video, hit the subscribe button now. Number 7, a cat. Kitten. Number 8, a lion. Cub. Number 9, a goat. Kid. Number 10, a monkey. Infant. Comment your score below. Did you do the impossible? See you in the next Suss Me Out.